Hello everyone. Today's topic is a Spring MVC. What is meant by Spring MVC? A Spring MVC is a Java framework which is used as a web application. It's follow model, view, and controller. Design its implementation of the basic features of Spring framework, uh, inversion of the control of dependency and injections. Spring MVC provides a elegant solution to Spring MVC framework by the dispatch servlet. The dispatched servlets. The Spring Web Model View Controller framework is designed around the dispatch servlet that handles all the HTTP request and response. Spring Web Model and View Controller. What is meant by model? Model means that data can be single object or collection of objects. A model contains data of the application, means that object model. Next one is a controller. A controller contains the business logic of an application. Here, the controller annotation is used to the mark up class of the controller. Next one is a views. Views represent the provide the information of particular format to the GSTL and create the view page. And Spring also support of the view the technology such that the Apache Velocity and free marker. Next one is a front controller. Front controller in Spring Web MVC, the dispatch servlet class work as a front controller. It is responsible to manage the flow control of Spring MVC application. Next one is the dispatcher. The display in the figure all the incoming the request of interpreted by the work on the front controller. The dispatch server get an entry of the handler mapping from the XML file or XML file and forward the request of HTTP controller or request. The dispatch server check the entry of view, resolve the XML file and invoke the specific view component. Main advantage of MVC framework: separate role. First one is a separate role. The Spring MVC separate each role where the model object controller and command object view, resolver, dispatch server, validator, etc. Next one is the lightweight. It is lightweight servlet container to develop and deploy your application. Powerful. Next one is a powerful configuration. It is provide the robust configuration for the both framework and application classes that include the easy replacing across the context of such as the web controller to business object and validator. Next one is the rapid development. The Spring MVC facilitates fast and parallel development to use that the rapid development. Next one is the reusable business code. Means that creating new object allowed to use the existing business and object. And next one is the easy to test. A Spring generally we can create the Java beans get classes and enable you ingest test data using the setter method. Next advantage is the flexible mapping. It's provide the specify the easily rewrite page. Next one is the required configuration. You need to the map requires to that the dispatch servlet to handle by using the URL mapping in the web.xml file. Next one is defining controller. The dispatchment servlet delegates the request of controller to execute the functionality of specific to it. The control annotation indicate that the particular class serves to the role of the controllers. The next one is the request mapping annotation is used to the map URL to the either and entire class of the particular handle of method. And next one is request mapping indicate that the handling the methods of the controller. And the controller annotation defines that the Spring MVC controller here the first uses request mapping indicate that the handling the method on the controller. Thank you.